I recently got a Arduino Nano in my home, which is a few years old board, but it looks good, so I give it power by a Nokia charger which has an output voltage of 5 volt, and then I amazed that it works till right now, which I confirm that the digital pin 13 producing the SOS signal by its old upload. Then the curiosity of my mind increased so that will be the Arduino Nano useful for any electronic project? So I continued by creating and uploading a new code as usual way. Then I got this. After trying some few more times, I realized that the USB to serial converter of the Arduino Nano may not working, or maybe it has a different converter such as a Chinese one, so that the Arduino IDE does not communicating it with properly. Pretty useless, right? Well, not really. In this video, let's use this useless Arduino Nano board to program it without the help of USB to serial converter. And if you don't know anything about what is an Arduino Nano or the other types of Arduino boards, then in short they are called microcontrollers. Based on Atmel Atmega 328P 168P microcontrollers IC surrounded by some electronic component, and it has the extended pin from the IC which creating a electrical circuit that performs the arithmetic and logical operation based on the instruction given to it by programming with Arduino IDE at a certain speed, in this case 16 millions operation per second or 16 MHz operations. To program the Arduino Nano in an unusual way, we need to take a look of its brain, the microcontroller, and how it works. So I roughly followed the datasheet of Atmega 328P microcontroller which I downloaded from Google, read the content, and I find that this microcontroller can be used as a slave device of other such master microcontroller device under SPI communication protocol. After going through more deep on the internet, I came with a solution which is in the form of a pre-written sketch on Arduino IDE's example as Arduino ISP. Arduino ISP is a project which is in the full form in System Programmer. With this programmer, you can upload any sketch and burn bootloader on any AVR based board including Arduinos. So after uploading this sketch to a good Arduino, in this case Arduino Uno, the device is ready to communicate with the Arduino Nano. We need to connect the pins of Arduino Uno, pin 10, 11, 12 and 13 to the corresponding pins of Arduino Nano, pin reset 11, 12 and 13 respectively, and we are done with the connections. Further, you can connect a red LED to the pin 8 which will lit up when any error arises. Two yellow LEDs to the pin 9 and 7 whose job is to indicate the board is running and it is communicating with the nano board or not. You may skip this lighting effect as they don't affect on the real task. Then I continued by creating a new blink sketch as an example, selected the board type as Arduino Nano, microcontroller as 328P and programmer to the Arduino as ISP in the tool tab, and upload the sketch from the sketch tab by upload using programmer. The programming LED in the pin 7 would blink rapidly and there will be no errors, means if the red LED in the pin 8 does not lit. If you get any error, red LED lit up, try to check the connections of the two devices and take your time to select the board programmer properly. This is very simple and the errors are due to only semi mistakes. There may be other situations, such suppose instead of not working USB to serial converter, the USB port get damaged or broken so that you can't upload a newly created sketch to the microcontroller. Then also you can upload the sketches to the Arduino boards in this way. So you have got a new option for uploading sketches to your any Arduino boards. Beside this technique, there is another method for Arduinos to upload sketches without the USB. In this time, USART communication protocol will do the job. The Arduino Uno has a pair of TX and RX pin. The way is to use a good USB to serial converter of the good Arduino to receive data from your computer and convert it into the form which the Arduino can take. But there should not be any microcontroller on the good Arduino board. So I removed the Atmega 328P microcontroller from the Arduino board which has a working USB to serial converter connected the TX to RX and RX to TX of the targeted Arduino board. Here it is a Arduino Uno, so that the compiled sketch would get uploaded to the targeted microcontroller bypassing the ineffective USB to serial converter which is not working. Now upload the newly created sketch to your Arduino board in as usual way. The inbuilt LEDs will blink for a short time and the sketch will be uploaded to your targeted Arduino microcontroller. In this way, you can use Arduinos if the microcontroller works only. You can use the both way to program a breadboard Arduinos also. I hope you have liked the video and learned something new. If so, don't forget to like this video and subscribe this new channel so that I can present such videos in front of you as well as create something new, and I will see you again.